pushbacks I used to always have on automation when I was going into factories. Well, we don't want to automate this because we don't want to have to lay people off. Do you think that's still a prevalent mindset?
The labor shortage is crushing. So we talk to so many SMBs and SMEs who are decreasing production by 20 or 25% as a result of a lack of labor. If the demand for products is as high as it is and growing, but the capacity for us to deliver on increased production is decreasing, then we are in sort of a weird place where that's an inflationary aspect of the economy that's causing inflation, right? And the second is people want to work around robots, especially in facilities that have never had them before, which is about 50 to 60% of our customers have never had robots in the past. When we get on the floor, the operators, they're like super giddy to want to learn about the system. They want to adapt to the future. They want to be working in an environment that's more technology enabled, and they would much rather oversee those fleets of systems.